Hi, Casey Berman from Leave Law Behind, shooting another video for you for this week from my home office here in San Francisco. Great always to talk to you and great to have you as part of the Leave Law Behind community. I want to touch on in the next minute or two about something that a lot of us feel but we most often ignore, and that's our emotions. And that's emotions that we don't really talk about much or are encouraged to talk about much. Here in the West, definitely not as a lawyer, definitely not as an intellectual, definitely not as smart people, insightful people. We focus on logic, we focus on our brain, we focus on productivity, we focus on what needs to get done, but we don't really focus on our emotions. Supposedly they make us weak. They're things that you're supposed to ignore, you're just supposed to get through. I think the opposite. And I think for so many of us to be happy and to be what it is we truly want to do, what it is that is truly in alignment with who we are, we need to listen to our emotions. Doesn't mean we need to be emotional, but we need to look at our emotions. We need to see how we are feeling. How are you feeling right now as a practicing attorney? Take a second. How are you feeling right now? I remember how I felt. It was reactive. I was bored. I was anxious. I was stressed. I wasn't appreciated. I was lonely. It just didn't connect with me. I didn't know what I was doing, or at least that's what I thought. And on and on and on. Think about it. Write down, how do you feel now as an attorney? How do you feel? I have an idea of how you feel because I work with so many attorneys and they've told me. So what should you do? Well, if you keep doing what you're doing, you're going to keep getting what you're getting. And that's a lot of those emotions. It's also job security. It's also potentially a lot of money. It's also the stature that goes with it, on and on. There's a lot of reasons why we stay as an attorney. But I will challenge you now to imagine what it's like to feel something else, what it's like to feel confidence in your job, what it's like to feel alignment, what it's like to feel that this is what you should be doing. What it's like to go out of the law to a non-law alternative job and connect with people who appreciate you, who look forward to paying you, who see the value that you bring. And think about all the emotions that can come from that. I'm Casey Berman from Leave Law Behind. I'm so happy to have you watching this video. I'm here to push you a little. I'm here to tell you what your life can really be like. If you'd like to take a baby step and begin to leave the law, click the link below to start the Leave the Law course. There's a $1 trial that you can start right now, just $1, to begin to leave the law. Or email me anytime at casey@leavelawbehind.com. How are you feeling? And how would you really, really like to feel? Thank you.